How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to delete Reels history on Facebook. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed this channel, then do so quickly. First of all, open Facebook, click on your profile on the top right. After that, here you have to click on setting icon. Here we have to scroll down and click on the activity log. Here you can see the option of activity log, you have to click on it. Here you have to click on watched videos. Here you have to click on this option, videos watched. As soon as you click on it, here you can see all the videos which you have watched on Facebook. To delete them, you have to click on clear video watch history. After that, click on clear. In this way, you can delete the history of the videos that you have watched on Facebook. Thanks watching this video.